We have the maxi-T, 60-ton metric ton pulling capacity, going from 75 mil up to 400 millimeter. We have the power pack, generating the hydraulic power for the maxi-T. We have the hydraulic extractor frame, which will take the place of the machine once the head is ready to be docked inside 1 meter shaft. We'll use the 10-ton extractor frame for that. With the maxi-T, we have a 60 mil solid steel rod, 30 length. So we're using for the replacement of the existing concrete pipe, we use a standard one fin bursting head, stage 1. Small enough to go inside the original pipe, so smaller diameter obviously. The knife, once we start pulling, will plow the existing pipeline and will expand to the desired diameter. To support the rig during the pulling operation, we use on this particular job radius 500 support plate to brace the machine so it doesn't go out through the existing job. On this particular job today, we have an 8-inch or 200 millimeter concrete pipe. It will be replaced with a 225. So it's identical diameter we're giving the client here. Good. We use standard towing head. Stick it inside the starter module. Turn the ring until that's it. We went over the starter module. The starter module, the male is removed and tapered. That way it's already set up and ready for, if it's needed, being connected to the PVC solution forward. The standard module, before we attach that to the starter module, we put an O-ring on. We loop the O-ring with silicone or similar. It will then be assembled with the starter module, and once it's attached firmly to the starter module, that connection will actually hold 3 bar pressure. It's not a pressurized pipe, but it's just exceeding the 0.5 bar requirement for non-gravity sewer pipes.
Godam, niemam bile. Стой, крутим. Whoa.
Hydraulic extractor frame, which will take the place of the machine once the head is ready to be docked inside 1 meter shaft. We'll use the 10-ton extractor frame for that. We've used the hydrostatic extractor frame. We have removed part of the cement ring to create access for the bursting head. We have now pulled the bursting head out of the ground, and we will now focus on pulling the new pipe into the shaft. So the chain is now connected to the front of the drawing head. And slowly we'll activate the extractor frame. Slowly, inch by inch, the pipe is moving into the shaft. Almost home. It looks a bit intimistic, but that's the conditions you work under.